Good morning. Let's prepare overnight oats for my husband. Hindi pala to overnight kasi mamaya kakainin niya na to. So, yung fruit of the day is kiwi, rolled oats, yogurt, chia, flaxseed, mixed nuts para sa texture. Tapos, syempre, yung ating almond milk. Basically, i-mix mo lang to lahat together. Then, meron ka ng overnight oats. First is ating rolled oats. Yan po ay half cup, bali 1/4 cup. Then, tag 2 teaspoon ng chia seed and flax seed. Then, mixed nuts, yogurt, at ang ating almond milk. Then, pwede na nating itap ang ating fruit of the day. Last week, yung fruit niya is blueberries. Ngayon, kiwi naman and bananas. Yung banana, later na namin ilalagay kasi nangingitim siya. Hindi na rin ako nag-a-add ng honey kasi nagliles nga siya sa sugar eh.
And ito na po yung dinner niya mamayang gabi. Bakit dinner? Bakit hindi breakfast? Why not, diba? Para sa kanya, masyadong heavy to for breakfast and perfect ito for dinner. Yun lang for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood.